Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up passkey for your Google account. So what you need to do first, head over to your Google account. So at the top right corner where you see your icon, click on it. And then from here, you will select manage your Google account, just like that. What you are going to do now is head over to the security and sign in. Now here you will select passkey and security keys, just like that. And from here you will create a passkey, just like that. Now what will this does is basically it will create and you will need to put your passkey into it. So you have numbers or whatever you have, you will need to add, and then from here on you will have basically this key to confirm your identity. So yeah, this is how you can set up passkey for your Google account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.